Are you a discouraged new YouTuber? Hi, my name is Dave, and I'm here to help you. Today, I want to talk about the 7-day rule. When you upload a video, you check on it to see how it's doing. When the views are low, and the ranking is low, you might be tempted to change something after a few hours, or even a couple of days. Rather than making adjustments so soon, I've learned to use the 7-day rule. This is where you give your videos 7 days to give the YouTube algorithm time to know who to target your video to. After 7 days, check your analytics, change your title, improve your thumbnail, and whatever else you think will make your video better. Also, make sure that you're targeting a very specific niche, and you're making your titles, descriptions, and tag words consistent across your channel. Think of it from YouTube's perspective. If you saw your channel, would you know exactly who your target audience was, or would YouTube be confused? Make sure it's super clear and narrowly targeted. Make improvements with each video, but give it 7 days. You'll get better results this way. And if today's content was helpful to you, please consider liking and subscribing. Also, if your channel was helped by any of the advice I've given in my videos, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. And one last thing. If you're interested in investing some money and time to accelerate your YouTube channel growth, I highly recommend you check out the affiliate link below. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to join me in my next video tomorrow.